Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're checking out an incredible value-packed device for your car, the 4K plus 4K front and rear dash cam. If you're serious about road safety, crystal clear recordings, and peace of mind while driving or parked, this is one of the most advanced dash cams you can buy right now. Right out of the box, you get everything you need, including a free 128GB memory card, which is a fantastic bonus since most cameras don't include storage. This dual dash cam setup records an ultra-clear 4K resolution on both the front and rear lenses, meaning you'll capture every detail, from license plates to street signs, day or night. Whether you're driving through bright sunlight or low-light environments, the image clarity stays remarkably sharp. The system features a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, ensuring a full, distortion-free view of the road ahead and behind. That's an essential feature for safety and accident documentation. Plus, the built-in GPS accurately tracks your route, speed, and coordinates, perfect for insurance claims or fleet monitoring. When it comes to performance, this dash cam runs on 5.8 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi, giving you faster, more stable connections for transferring videos directly to your smartphone via the companion app. No more slow downloads or connection drops. Inside the sleek housing is a 3-inch IPS display, offering a bright, clear view for playback and settings right on the device. The camera also includes a G sensor, which automatically locks critical footage if it detects sudden impact or vibration, preventing important clips from being overwritten. One of its standout features is 24-hour parking mode. When your car is off, the dash cam remains on guard, recording automatically if motion or impact is detected. With support for up to 512 GB of storage, you can record for extended periods without worrying about space. Build quality is premium, compact, discreet, and heat-resistant for long drives. Whether you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or a road trip enthusiast, the 4K plus 4K dash cam provides total coverage and unmatched reliability. If you're ready to protect your car with professional-level clarity and advanced features, check out the link below and grab yours on Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more tech reviews that make your daily life smarter and safer.